So in this video, let's see how we can change the color in a picture in quite a few steps. So if you see here, I have a picture of a person. So let's try changing the color of his t-shirt. Okay. So I'm selecting the layer of the image and I am going to add the adjustment layers, and in adjustment layer I am going to select hue and saturation. So once the hue and saturation is selected, you can find the hue and saturation settings box. So here you can see this hand icon with two left and right arrows which says click and drag in image. So click on it and enable it, and once you click on it, select the color which you want to change. Let's choose one of the shades from the guy's t-shirt. So I am clicking on it. Okay, now the color is selected. Now go to the hue box and you can change the color here, and you can see how the color changes as you slide the bar. You can change to any color you want, and once the color is changed, you can increase the saturation, make it more darker, more of a darker shade of blue or lighter shade. To make it more darker, in the lightness you can slide it left and you can slide it to the right to make it more brighter. So by adjusting these parameters, you can change the color you want. So now let's see the second method, how we can change the color. So we have selected the layer here. Go to image, adjustment and replace color. So in this you will see the color which you need to change. You need to select the color which you want to change. Select the filler which will be already selected and tap on the color which you want to change. So as you see in this image, a negative kind of an image, the selected color has been highlighted in white. So if you want to add few more shades of green, just tap on this plus filler icon and tap. I'm just tapping the dark shade of green, so it's also gets selected. So now as you want to change the color, go to the bottom of this box and change the hue here. So you can see that I change the hue, the color changes accordingly. So these are the two easy methods to change the color in any image. If you have found anything interesting and you have learned anything, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.